How to turn on or turn off active status on your device on Instagram Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on or off online status on your Instagram Lite. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is first of all, open Instagram Lite on your phone or whatever you're using. Now, go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen where you can see your profile picture. Then in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings. After you're in settings, what you're going to do is go to the option which says privacy over here. After you've opened privacy, under interactions, you can see various options like connections, comments, tags, mentions, etc. Go to the option which says activity status, which is in the second last option. Then over here you'll see the option which says show activity status. Now toggle this and there you go. Your activity status will be turned on. Now what this does is other people will see that you're online. However, if you turn this off, even when they're online, other people won't be able to see that you're online. So this is how you can turn on or off online status on your Instagram Lite. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this was helpful to you and see you in the next video.